Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are solving for y in this question. Okay, so we have y plus square root of y is equal to 2. Now let's solve this fast forward. So we have y plus square root of y is equal to 2. So in this case, let us try to omit the square root here. So we are going to get square root of y is equal to 2 minus y. Okay, so to remove this square root, we need to square both sides of the equation. So this will cancel this, leaving y is equal to this, which is 2 minus y all squared. So y is equal to this. We can rewrite it as 2 minus y brackets 2 minus y. Okay, so our y is equal to 2 times 2, we are getting 4. Then 2 times y, which is negative 2y. And then y times 2 is negative 2y. Y times y, we are getting plus y squared. Okay, so to simplify this, I'm going to get 4 minus 4y plus y squared. Okay, so from here, you can group all the terms in one side, which is equal to y squared minus y minus 4y plus y is equal to 0. So we get y minus y minus 4y, we are getting 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. So from here, let us use the quadratic formula to solve for y. So in this case, our a is 1, b is equal to negative 5, and our c is 4. So y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all on 2a. So we are going to get minus 5 plus or minus square root of, so 5 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4 all on 2 multiplied by 1. From here, we get 5, which is positive 5, plus or minus square root of, we have 25 minus 16, all on 2. Okay, so we are going to get 5 plus or minus this and this, we are going to get 9. So it will be 9 over 9. So 5 plus or minus square root of 9 over 2. Okay, and then square root of 9 is 3. So you are going to get 5 plus or minus 3 on 2. Okay, so from here, our k is equal to 5 plus 3 on 2, or 5 minus 3 on 2. So here we get 5 plus 3 is 8 on 2. And then here 2, k is equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 over 2. Okay, so here 2 goes into self 1, goes here 4. So you get k. Alright, I was using k here, but we are using y rather. So let's make it y. Okay. So here you get 4, and then 2 divided by 2, we are getting y is equal to 1. So our answer is say that therefore y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.